How you begin your day can significantly impact your overall happiness and productivity. Before diving into your day, take a moment to express gratitude. Every morning is a gift. It's a chance to start fresh, thank the universe, God, or whatever higher power you believe in for the gift of life. Be grateful for your health, loved ones, and opportunities. This simple practice can shift your mindset and set a positive tone for the day. Dream big, dream bold. Don't let fear hold you back. If your dream doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. Remember, dreams are free. So let your imagination run wild. Write down your goals, visualize your success, and take action. To achieve your goals, you need a balanced day. Incorporate work, learning, exercise, and relaxation into your routine. Dedicate time to your professional endeavors, but set boundaries to avoid burnout. Continuously seek knowledge and skills to grow and evolve. Physical activity boosts energy, improves mood, and enhances cognitive function. Take breaks to rest, recharge, and practice mindfulness. Remember, every day is a new opportunity. By starting your day with gratitude, dreaming big, and living a balanced life, you can unlock your full potential. So, rise and shine, and make the most of every moment.